Hi guys, I'm Silwolf and this video is about some things I bought back from Turkey. They basically had these little sort of blind box style cats in carriers and, as I later found out, dogs in carriers, called Kitty Condo and, what's the dog one called? Puppy House. Now I thought, oh, I'll get a couple of these, and then I like them, so I thought maybe I'll get some when I go home. So I had a look online when I got home and I found out that apart from Turkey, where they come as little kitties and puppies in carriers, you can also get them in Canada and America, where they come as kitties and puppies in carriers but with candy with them. You can't get them anywhere else, and the places in Canada and America would not ship to anywhere internationally. So in Canada they're called Kitty Condo, like they are in Turkey. I don't know about the puppies, I only looked at the kitties. And in America they're called Kitty Korner. And I was quite disappointed because I really like them. There's 6 different animals that you can get, 6 different cats, 6 different dogs. And it's a surprise what you get inside, although if you look through here you can kind of see what's inside it. But my friend Serge came to my rescue and they've bought me a box of them, which I'm doing some art in exchange for, so it'll be awesome to have a few more of these because I really like the design. They're clever, and the little cats and dogs, well, I don't know about the dog, I've not opened him, but the cats are very well sort of like made and they're cute and stuff like that, and I just like them. And I'll tell you more about that later. So this pink one I opened already. They were literally in every single like little newsagent and supermarket in Marmaris, and I didn't realise that they were everywhere until I started to see them everywhere. So the price varied. These two I got for 45 lira. This one was 60 lira. So in some shops it was quite a bit more, which was a little bit odd. But there you go, I suppose each person charges what they think is correct. So let's have a look. So you get them and they have this on the front door of the carrier, so you can't see what's inside unless you kind of peer through there. And there it shows you the different ones you can get. And there are little holes in the back, so you can kind of see what's inside if you peer through the back as well. And then that's just a load of stuff about who made it and things, and a barcode on the bottom. So it's got a little handle, which is quite cute. And first of all, you've got to take the plastic off around the outside. So peel that off, and so you're left with this. And then you just take this bit off here, does up at the top like that. And so what you have is you can actually see what's inside it because the sides of the carrier are clear, which is one of the reasons that I liked it so much. I just thought it was, you know, a different idea. I've not seen these kinds of toys with the clear plastic sort of on them before. So you can also peel that off. I'll leave this one on because I've peeled off the other one. And then you open this, and inside you'll find a cat. He's sort of a happy looking little cat. Looks like he's looking at his human person asking for a stroke. Or perhaps he's a little bit annoyed, I don't know. And with the cat you also get, stand up please, this. Now, this tells you about each cat. However, it's all in Turkish. So the one that, I can get it to focus on that, the one that I've got is Bella. And hi Bella, if you're watching, I now have a cat named after you. You've got a black cat called Roxy. There's Max there, black and white one. Cooper is the other one I have, the calico. Duchess, probably a Persian. And Oliver is, I think, a little ginger stripy cat. Like from Oliver and Company, the Disney film. How did they get away with that? Not that it's copyright to call your ginger cat Oliver, but you know, it's just kind of cute. Oh, actually, I see that doesn't say Duchess, it says Duchess. No, Duchess. Duchess. It's a bit of a tongue twister, that one. Duchess. I think it's supposed to be Duchess. So the dog, I haven't had to look at any of these. I know which dog's inside it though because I peered. So these also came in all different colours as well. So I don't know what it looks like inside. Now the difference with the dog ones is it's got this thing here attached to the handle that says please adopt me, and this is series 2. And you can actually write your name on there if it belongs to you. So just take off the plastic as before. They're made by the same company, I believe. Yes, they are. They're all made by the same company. And I know you can get the dog ones in Canada and in America as well. So there's your 6 dogs on the front. Take this one apart. And it's not got a clear plastic side, this one. Just open it up. And inside we have the Dalmatian. And I knew that it was the Dalmatian because I had a look through. Oh, he's got a very big head. Oh my goodness. That dog has a huge head. I had no idea that the head would be so big. That's a little bit odd, to be fair. He reminds me of one of those bobbleheads. Does the head turn? The head does actually turn a little bit. I think it's supposed to be kind of a bit like a bobbleheady type thing. Put him over there. And inside we also have a piece of paper. Oh, this one's got much smaller writing on it. So if I can get this to... And I can't read that. So that's a Chihuahua, obviously. You've got a Schnauzer, a Welsh Corgi, a Dalmatian. I'm not going to even attempt to pronounce that. I do not speak Turkish. A Boxer and a Beagle. So that's all the different dogs. I'm guessing it tells you about the dogs. So the dogs are kind of like the breed name and perhaps a bit about the breed, whereas the cats have individual cat names and stuff about that individual cat. I'm thinking. So there they both are. I'll just move them back so they're in the shot. Like that. And the other one that I got, Cooper. Again, I peered to make sure I wasn't getting the same cat. The little calico. Interestingly, calicos are always female. So, Cooper would be a girl. And there they are. So yeah, I thought they were pretty cute, and they're a nice little sort of souvenir to bring back and show you guys, because I saw a lady, we were in a pub and I saw a lady buy some for her kids, and I asked where she got them from. Turns out they were everywhere anyway, but I had not seen them because I don't really go into shops looking for things like this. But I thought, hey, you know what, my channel subscribers might be interested to see me open these, because I do occasionally do some blind bag or blind box unboxings and reveals. So if you're watching, I don't know your name, but you did take down my YouTube address, so if you or your kids see my little video here, hi. And also I did actually get the same cat as what one of your daughters had, because I remember she showed it to me. So yes, we have matching cats, and I hope you see this video. So that's pretty much it for this video. I might, if everyone or anyone wants to see, I may possibly do an unboxing of 12 of these when they arrive in the post. If anyone would be interested to see that, let me know in the comments, because that is the box of them that I'm getting from my friend Serge whenever it should arrive. So yeah, if you want to see me unbox 12, let me know. They're all cats, by the way. I didn't get any more dog ones. But to be fair, I kind of like the big-headed Dalmatian, and the dogs are quite cute. But yeah, I just got cats. So that's all for this video. If you want to see other similar videos, feel free to click the boxes that come up below. Or you can check out my Etsy and New Monday stores. I take commissions. I'm a freelance artist, and I make plushies and art. Or you can buy me a coffee on Ko-fi if you enjoy what I do. Every tip helps. And that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver, signing off.